next-generation helicopters for the U.S. Army's future are coming. Bell 360 Invictus is a new attack and reconnaissance helicopter being developed by Bell Textron to deliver improved lethality, survivability, and extended range for Army aviation. The advanced helicopter is being offered for the U.S. Army's Future Attack Reconnaissance Aircraft program, which mainly aims to replace the Army's AW-65 Apache and AW-58D Kiowa Warrior helicopters. The rotorcraft will offer security and situational awareness in the battlefield upon completion of its government flight test evaluation in 2023. It will serve as an affordable, lethal, and sustainable solution while delivering next-generation performance. Specifications of Bell's 360 Invictus has a 210 miles per hour, 330 kilometers per hour, 180 kn cruise speed and a cargo capability of up to 400 pounds with 2 crew members. Its main engine will be a single General Electric T901 turboshaft engine with supplemental power from a Pratt & Whitney PW207D1 turboshaft. The design Bell 360 Invictus showing a 2-seat tandem cockpit with sighting optics or laser designator above a 20mm cannon gun turret at the chin position below the cockpit, mid-mounted stub wings below the shrouded rotor hub and 4 40 feet 12 meters diameter rotor blades, an active horizontal stabilizer, and a tilted and shrouded tail rotor. Missiles are mounted on pylons off the fuselage below the stub wings. It will be powered by 2 of the improved turbine engine program engines by General Electric. The U.S. Army requirement calls for a speed in excess of 180 knots, and the 525 and 360 are intended to meet this. The stub wings are intended to take about 50% of the weight of the aircraft at moderate to high speed. Combat radius will be 135 nanometers with at least 90 minutes time on station. It will use fly-by-wire control. Weapon Systems Bell 360 Invictus. The payload capacity of the aircraft will be approximately 635 kilograms, and the helicopter can carry internal and external weapons payloads. The aircraft will be armed with an integrated munitions launcher and a 20mm cannon and will have the capability to support air-launched effects. It can also accommodate future weapons and current inventory of munitions. Bell 360 Invictus will be powered by General Electric's T901 turboshaft engine, which will serve as the main power unit. The Pratt & Whitney Canada PW207D1 engine aboard the rotorcraft will act as a supplemental power unit delivering power for ground maintenance and system checks. It will also enhance cruise airspeed, dash speed, hover payload, and autorotative performance. The helicopter will be able to fly at a maximum cruise speed of 180 km and offer a range of approximately 135 nm with more than 90 minutes of time on station. The main rotor will have high flapping capability, ensuring high-speed flight. It will achieve hover out of ground effect of 4K divided by 95 Fahrenheit. The Bell 360, a low-risk, high-speed platform with proven technology and inherently reliable designs, will deliver soldiers transformational operational capabilities at an affordable cost.